DuPont is pleased to introduce Acquire RX, the next generation spectrophotometer that features added functionality without compromising the great color matchability that made Chromavision an industry leader. Acquire RX is a portable handheld color measurement instrument that is used directly on a vehicle or part to obtain the correct color match, then transmit the readings into the ColorNet formula retrieval system. ColorNet retrieves and adjusts the formula to an accurate match in DuPont, Nason, or DuPont Industrial Coatings color qualities. Acquire RX is comprised of the following components: spectrophotometer for portable readings, black trap and white plate for calibration, cable to connect Acquire RX to the computer. The Acquire RX is portable and can be used with AA batteries, so battery replacement is easy and the unit can be used anywhere. It's easy to use. Simply press the spectrophotometer against the polished finish and press a button to take a reading. And with large memory and storage capabilities, it can hold up to 999 readings in memory, so you can take readings from several vehicles before download is required. To ensure optimum performance from your Acquire RX, proper maintenance is essential. We suggest that you clean the optics, white calibration tile, and black calibration trap regularly. The optics located on the bottom of the spectrophotometer should be cleaned weekly in normal environments and more often in dirty or dusty environments. To remove any accumulated dust, carefully lift the Acquire RX and blow bursts of clean, dry air into the optics area using an air can. The white calibration tile can be cleaned using a mild soap and warm water solution. Gently wipe the top of the tile and dry it with a clean, dry cloth. The tile must be completely dry before taking a calibration reading. The black trap comes with a dust cover. However, if you should need to clean it, simply remove the dust cover and blow bursts of clean, dry air from time to time to remove any dust or contamination. You can use an air can just as you did to clean the optics. Following these simple maintenance procedures and schedule will protect your investment and maintain accurate readings. Now, let's demonstrate how to use the Acquire RX spectrophotometer. Before you begin taking readings, you'll need to calibrate the Acquire RX using the black trap and white tile. Calibration is an important step to precisely standardize the unit to the color spectrum. If the unit has not been calibrated in the last 7 days, you will be prompted to complete this process when you turn the unit on. If you are not prompted to calibrate, use the menu button to select Calibrate. The unit will prompt you to read the black trap. For proper placement, match the alignment arrows on your spectrophotometer with the black trap. Then, press the Operate button to read the zero reflectance. When the unit is done reading the black trap, the dialog window will prompt you to read the white calibration plate. Next, you'll need to calibrate using the white plate. Firmly press the spectrophotometer down on the plate and press the Operate button. The white calibration procedure takes 3 sets of readings, and when it is finished, Calibration Complete appears in the dialog window. If you plan to be outside for several hours and the spectrophotometer will reach a different steady state of temperature, we recommend that you recalibrate at this temperature prior to taking a reading. Your spectrophotometer is now correctly calibrated and ready to take readings. To obtain the correct color match, 3 samples are taken to create 1 reading. Begin by selecting an area for reading your samples. Select an area as flat as possible to read with the Acquire RX spectrophotometer. The more the sample area curves, the higher risk of light leakage and the more the light reflection could be distorted. The desired sample locations are adjacent panels to the repair area. Wipe the surface thoroughly with a clean wet cloth and polish the area to remove any residue. Inspect the area for scratches. A clean, scratch-free surface is the key to achieving an accurate color reading. Make sure you clean a large enough area for reading your 3 samples. When the area is clean, you are ready to take your first sample reading. Place the Acquire RX directly on the polished section of the car. Try to read near the blend area. Avoid reading the center of the roof and below the belt line, as inconsistent color and lack of full hiding by the OEM can be an issue. Press the unit down firmly and press the Operate button to take the first reading. The integrated measuring head will read the color shade from 3 different angles, which ensures highly accurate results even on metallic and pearlescent finishes. Hold the unit until the reading number and 1 of 3 appears in the dialog window. You don't want to read the same area with the Acquire RX unit because it could produce a different formula at times. So be sure to move the spectrophotometer to the area for your second sample reading. Press it down firmly and press the Operate button to take the second reading. Hold the unit until the reading number and 2 of 3 appears in the dialog window. Repeat this step for your third and final sample reading. Hold the unit until the reading number and 3 of 3 complete appears. Once the third reading is taken, the storing number will appear in the dialog window. This number is assigned by the spectrophotometer and is used to uniquely identify your readings. When you are finished taking the 3 sample readings, connect the Acquire RX to your computer. Depending on the vehicle information you have available, there are 2 DuPont ColorNet search methods used to find the correct color match. The first and recommended method is using the car code year search in ColorNet. Entering the paint code will enable the Acquire RX to work much faster and reduce the risk of metamerism or flake size difference. Simply enter the manufacturer code and year in the appropriate fields and press Enter. A list of alternatives appear. Select the appropriate formula from the list, then the quality, and press OK. Next, click on the Acquire RX icon on the CAT-FRANS toolbar in ColorNet. A listing of the color reading number, date, and time appear for all the readings currently stored in the Acquire RX. Highlight the appropriate reading number for the vehicle you want to match and click OK. The vehicle's color position is now being compared to the position of the Acquire RX selected reading. If the compared colors are not within the set tolerance levels, the color is adjusted for a blendable match. The second search method is used if you don't have vehicle information. In this case, you click on the Spectrophotometer tab on the CAT-FRANS toolbar in ColorNet. Then select the Quality and press the Reload button. A listing of the color reading number, date, and time appear for all the readings currently stored in the Acquire RX. Highlight the appropriate reading number for the vehicle you want to match. Select the quality and click Search. The vehicle's color position is now being compared to the position of the Acquire RX selected reading. If the compared colors are not within the set tolerance levels, the color is adjusted for a blendable match. Finding the best color formula is easy when you have the right tools. Acquire RX, combined with DuPont's ColorNet, are designed to provide a totally automated and convenient formula retrieval process, so you can find the color you need quickly and easily. Simply place the Acquire RX directly on a flat, polished surface to take a reading of the color. Its unique 3-angle viewing geometry looks right into the color characteristics of the paint, which ensures highly accurate results even on metallic and pearlescent finishes. You only need 3 readings to lock in color definition. Plug the Acquire RX into the ColorNet formula retrieval system and upload your readings. ColorNet searches, retrieves, and adjusts the formula to the color quality you need in minutes. Further, the unique formula can be saved in a personal color library in ColorNet. DuPont color tools are designed to work together flawlessly. From the Acquire RX spectrophotometer to the expert computerized paint pouring system, DuPont is committed to providing you with the tools you need to succeed. For more information, contact your local DuPont sales representative, customer service representative, or visit our website at www.performancecoatings.dupont.com.